It's Ken with MrTruck.com, looking for more products for your trucks and trailers that'll make life easier. Now, this here is from Tuffy Security Products. You know, I've heard of Tuffy. They make a lot of products. And this goes under your back seat on a crew cab. And it's all tapered to fit the seat. 3 locks, all kinds of room. It's got a piano hinge, which I really like. Looks like it's all powder coated. See how much stuff I can put in here. So now all I can do is get all the crap and the junk out of my back seat. So I can put this in there. Usually the floor is covered, but that's just how I roll. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it out and put all this in there and I'll show you how this installs. As you can see how that ends are tapered so it fits the seat, because the seat goes upward, angles up toward the back window. But yeah, pretty darn cool. 3 locks. And of course they use the same key. Flip this up. And look at that rubber gasket along the front lip. That's good. And then it's got piano hinges inside there. There you go. You can see it. That's the piano hinge. I love piano hinges. They're very good hinges. That's what you have, piano hinge on these doors. 3 locks, which makes it nice. Heavy duty hardware. It's all powder coated. Okay, now here's my back seat. Now this is rubber mat that I laid down here in an earlier review. And then of course I got a little bit of junk still behind where the seat goes or where the new Tuffy goes. Because I always have a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. But the Huffy's going to go right in front of that and bolt to the frame from the seat. Then I can start putting a bunch of more stuff back in it and locking it up. Well, it comes with these carriage bolts and screws. And they go on this bracket. Bracket is supposed to slip under this frame of the seat frame. And so I'm going to take off this 13mm socket or the nut and see what happens. So now I have this long bolt that I just took out of the seat frame down in that hole there, and I got to slip this bracket under there. I'm going to have to get a pry bar. But this is not going to be an easy box to steal by any means. I did get that bracket in to the main bolt that holds the seat in. And I hope I got it far enough. Now I'll go leave that loose till I get to the other side. There you go. We've got the anchor plate in place that goes to the seat belt frame bolt in there. You can see it. Anyway. And then it's anchored to the Tuffy box there. And then inside, it's got a hand crank on each end. So if you have a key and can unlock it, you can take it off pretty fast. But other than that, it's kind of a good deterrent for thieves. Too cool. Well, there you go. It's all bolted in and secure. And see, it's 2 lids. So you can lift up the short one, and it matches the short seat. And the other longer one matches the longer seat. Too cool. Let's see if I can do this. Wow, look at that. It does work. Too cool. Yeah, that is so awesome. I really like this. And it probably took about 15 minutes, maybe a little longer, because I had to clean my floor off. But if you have a clean floor and you're starting like that, it'd be great. And I was able to keep my little rubber mat. Probably would have fit a little tighter, but it's fitting very well right now. Maybe elevated just a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, touching the lid, but that's okay. I like it. Now I'm all secure and safe.
Don't go away, MrTruck.tv. We'll be right back.
Well, looks like I got most of the stuff back in here. From battery chargers to, of course, my tool bag. You never have enough tools. All kinds of stuff. So now I just gotta lock it and figure out what's the most valuable thing. I'm tired of hauling gloves and masks around. I may have to throw some of this stuff out. See, that sits pretty good, right angle with a Tuffy underneath the seat. Yeah, I think that'll work.